Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity and eligibility. Do that now. Have your passport or national ID, proof of address, and tax ID ready so you can move fast. Next, choose account type, individual, joint, ERA, or corporate, because regulations and forms differ. Once decided, set up bank wiring details and plan initial funding. $2,000 is a common minimum for margin or certain promotions. While you register, create a secure password and enable two-factor authentication to protect access. You now work through the detailed application forms, take them section by section. Enter personal info, employment, net worth, and a realistic estimate of trading experience. These determine approvals and limits. Then complete suitability questions and accept margin, options, and custody agreements when applicable. Know why each consent matters. Upload clear scans, ID, proof of address, electronic signature, plus tax documents like Form W-9 or W-8BEN. Once uploaded, verify email and phone so you finish by funding and completing verification steps. Do this promptly. Fund with bank wire or ACH and confirm microdeposits if used, then complete any identity video or phone verification they request. Once funded and verified, set trading permissions and test a small trade to confirm access. If your application stalls, check document clarity, ensure the correct tax form, W-9 versus W-8BEN, and verify bank routing and account numbers. Often those fixes resolve most delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.